Does your child catch recurrent cold and cough? Do you feel helpless watching them fall sick with every weather change? Does your child need nebulizer frequently? Are you tired of constant doctor visits and medications? Here's a gentle and effective way to boost their immunity. Homeopathy is safe, effective, and works by boosting your child's natural immunity. Each remedy is personalized to your child's unique needs because every child is different. The best part? No harsh side effects, just holistic care. Because every parent wants the best for their child. Choose homeopathy for a healthier future. Call Rise and Shine Medical Center now to book your appointment.